The 3D Charts module adds 8 new vision components to Ignition. Here they are, the charts. This is a project that shows off the charts. I'll make this available for download as well. Okay, so here's one of the charts, the surface chart. All the charts allow you to interact with it with the mouse. So here I am moving it around. And this surface chart specifically, it maps a surface. So if you have some manufacturing process where you're putting a layer or a coating of something on top of something else and you wanted to visualize that process, you could use a surface chart to show that layer being created or applied. On the right here is the chart data. It's the data set that's being used to draw the chart. For example, if I change something here, then it will show on the chart. There you go. So the colors here show that are based on the z-axis on depth, so the higher points are different colors than the lower points. So with the mouse I can zoom in. You saw me rotating and moving it around. If I double click, it resets the orientation. I can also right click and export to PNG, JPEG, and PDF. And it also provides a simple scripting API so you can interact with the chart from other components. You can see on the right here I can move the chart within the component space. I can rotate it around in different ways, reset its view, I can tilt it, zoom in. So this way you can create your own controls for any of the charts. I even added a little animation. Just uses Ignition's built-in timer component to call the method to rotate it. So that's the surface. Here's the scatter chart, which shows data points in a three-dimensional space. I can also click on values. This works with other charts as well. I can hold down the shift button, select multiple values, and this actually there's a property for selected data, so that when you select things you have a data set with whatever is selected. Let's go to a bar chart. So here's a 3D bar chart. You might wonder, well, what's useful about a 3D bar chart? One thing that's useful is that you can show multiple rows of data with a 3D bar chart. So it can be a concise way to show a lot of data. Now let's go ahead and look at the designer. Alright, so here's the properties for the bar chart. And a lot of these properties are the same from chart to chart, but you can configure all kinds of things like the title. You can have a subtitle. Here's the data that populates the chart, and you have bindings and just the regular standard Ignition things for these things. Here's the labels for the axes, so you can have these saying different things. All kinds of things here. Down here, chart view, you can specify the exact position and angles of the chart, so when you open up a window it looks a certain way. So this is just a very brief demo of the functionality. I recommend you download it and check it out. It works with the free trial version, so if you download and install it, it'll be working, and you can reset the 2-hour trial version as much as you want, and it works without any trial version within the designer, so you can design your charts and work with them, and you can get a license later if you want.